We're waiting for the petitioner to join. Can you please let me know? Right. Please advance the case.
First, about 14.
Yes.
Basically, also 40 to 24. Mr. Papa will show you the way they come. That was Mrs. Isaac, I think of. That's artist.
What is absent?
The personal is on virtual.
Why did you say what is absent?
It's important.
Around the same store. Around my yes. No, this is
Who is online? Your name?
Fọlọ́runṣọ́ Ìdòwú Ajíkòbí.
Your name?
Fọlọ́runṣọ́ Ìdòwú Ajíkòbí.
Who is online? I'm asking, not you. I can't hear him.
Fọlọ́runṣọ́
I
Ajíkòbí.
can't hear you.
Sorry, Fọlọ́runṣọ́ Ajíkòbí.
We cannot hear you here.
Can you hear me now? Fọlọ́runṣọ́ Ajíkòbí. Can you
We
hear
can't
me?
hear you, but whoever is online.
I'm talking. My phone is on audio, and yeah, I'm not muting.
Are you sure you can? You have access to?
I see. I can see.
We can't hear you.
I don't know what's wrong.
What's happening?
Hello.
The volume is down. Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Yeah, sorry, ma. And I was
online. Your name?
Fọlọ́runṣọ́ Ìdòwú Ajíkòbí, ma'am.
Your location?
Oshunda Street, Lagos, 34. Oshunda Street.
Are you in Nigeria?
Yes, I am.
You are giving evidence in Nigeria?
Yes, I'm here, but I'm at the out of the Lagos now.
Why didn't you come to court?
Yeah, because of my work, I was assigned to work in with Congo. I'm a geologist, and because of the work and which is very vital to the Congolese government, that was why.
What?
The work was assigned with Angolan government, one of their oil petroleum company.
What's your location?
Hello?
Your location?
At the moment?
Yes.
Hello?
Your location, where are you?
Now I'm out of Lagos at hello, can you hear me?
Where are you? What's your location?
Okay, I'm calling from Saudi, Dubai now.
You are now at Dubai, you are no longer in Lagos. I thought
No,
you just said Lagos.
No, I said I'm from Lagos.
What is your location exactly today?
Oh, today now it's I'm in Abuja now. I'm in Dubai now.
You are now in Dubai, no longer Abuja.
No. I'm in Abuja, Dubai.
Where in Dubai?
Dubai, in the office.
You are in Lagos, you are in Dubai, you are in where else?
No, I thought when you said
Abuja.
No.
Which one should we take as the truth?
No, when you say you asked for my location, I thought you meant where I came from.
Where are you logging in from today?
Oh, from today, I'm logging in from Dubai now.
Where in Dubai?
From the office in Jamara.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you do a 360 turn with your camera?
360. Yeah. I have computer here.
Are you the only one in the room?
Yes.
Right. Appearance?
Especially my lord, Olufemi Azam, appear for the question.
Are you ready for, what's he doing? Okay. Are you ready for your oath?
Yes, I am ready. Yeah.
Okay. Look at the screen. Where do you have your Bible or Quran? Are you Christian or Muslim?
I'm a Christian. I have my Bible.
Right. Look at the screen and swear.
Okay. I, Folorunsho Ajikobi, swear that the evidence I shall give before this honorable court shall be the truth and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Right. Caution. Who is doing the cautioning?
Yes.
You are hereby cautioned that if you tell a lie in your testimony in this proceeding or willfully misled this court, you are liable to be prosecuted, and if found guilty, you will be seriously dealt with according to law. Do you understand?
Yes.
Right. Yes.
My Lord, the matter is stated for here this morning. And when they come, I'm sure they are ready.
Proceed.
Mr. Achi, can you please tell this court your name?
Folorunsho Idowu Ajikobi.
Hello. Hello. Can you please tell this honorable court your name?
Yeah, Folorunsho Idowu Ajikobi.
Yes.
And where do you live?
Permanent 34 Shunda Road Street, Aromi, Yanapaja, Lagos State.
Now, what do you do for a living?
I'm recording.
Yes. What
Is
do
that
you
his
do?
address?
Yes.
Is that his address?
Yes.
Can you lead this witness properly so we have all the particulars?
So, what do you do for a living?
Have you finished with the address? Is that the only place he lives? You have pleaded certain facts.
Sorry. That's his permanent address. That's why I led him to give that address.
If you waste your time, I will adjourn the session. You will have to go back and pay and come back for another session. You have pleaded certain facts. You need to lead him in evidence properly.
Yes,
First of all, I've had 3 locations stated as to where he currently is.
my Lord, I can explain.
You are not to explain. You are to lead this witness so that we know that he's not lying.
As more pieces. Mr. Jacobi, apart from your permanent home address, where is
34 Oshunda Road Street, Ipaja, New Road, Lagos State.
Yes, apart from 34, where do you live?
I used to live in London in 58 Charlton Road.
Repeat.
58 Charlton Road in London.
$58.
58 Troughton.
Spell that.
Troughton.
Let me gently.
Oh, okay. Troughton.
Yes.
Road. Charlton. in London. Charlton.
Postcode.
Postcode is SE7 7QY.
7QY. Yes.
Mr. Shobi.
Yes.
What do you do for a living?
What do I'm a geologist.
Right.
Do you know the respondent in this case?
Yes. It's my wife.
Yes.
When did you get married to the respondent?
We got married October 3rd, 1998.
Do you have any evidence of the marriage?
3rd of October 1998. Where?
Where, madam?
Where? Where the marriage took place?
My next question is to ask him where the marriage conducted.
Okay. Yeah, the marriage took place in London also, in at Southwark in London. And
At where?
Southwark
Spell that.
is SOUTHWARK.
Repeat. SOUTHWARK. Southwark. Just Southwark. Can you please speak your witness properly? Learned counsel.
As a purpose. Mr. Ashwood,
Yes.
Where was your marriage conducted? You have to give the name of the registry. And
Okay, yeah, it's a Southwark registry in London.
It's based on answer in full. It's the court would like to hear everything in full. There's no short answer in full, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you have any evidence of this marriage?
I don't have it. It got lost a long time. I don't have it. I don't have the certificate, but yeah.
What kind that when you issue a document to indicate
Yes.
that the conducted between you and respondent?
Yes.
If you see a copy of the.
He has not said anything about the copy. He has said that it was issued with a certificate. He has said that I don't have a certificate. It got lost a long time ago. That's what I have on record.
Mr. Abiodun,
Mm-hmm.
do you presently have any document with you as regard the marriage between you and respondent.
Yeah, we not the original copy. The original copy got lost, but I have a certified copy. Certified copy of the certificate, yes.
Right.
Thank you, madam. If you see a copy of the certified copy of the marriage certificate, you'll be able to recognize it.
Yes.
No, I'm to recognize the certified copy. It is kind of
it.
I know, I don't know, we are finding order affidavits to get a certified copy in the court file. And we have equally filed certificate amount in a scanned copy, certified.
What is this?
And the court affidavit that we find on the 3rd of March. As directed, my prosecutor that directed the last assembly was to file this certified copy to be in the court file. We have done that one by order affidavit dated 3rd of March 2020. Order affidavit titled for that.
Very unserious way. Continue. I don't know what to do with what you have filed. Continue with your evidence.
It was the honorable order directed us to file. The court did inform that the one amount of petition is not satisfied that we need to file this for that which we are compliant with.
You are very unserious. The court told you to file further affidavit, starting the endorsement of the court. Please continue with your witness.
My lord,
Continue with your witness. You are not a serious person.
my lord,
Yes.
Is it the actual copy?
Yes, that is the copy. That is a certified copy.
My lord, because the certified copy of the marriage certificate was scanned.
You go on. You said is this? You said this is the CTC.
Yes. I'm trying to lay foundation.
I'm not the one you lay foundation for. If you want to ask your witness, ask him the question, and then we'll take it from there. What is wrong with you? What's your name again?
My name is Olufela.
What is wrong with you? You don't even know why you are here. You can't put simple questions to your witness, and you have paid 100,000 for virtual hearing. If you lose today, you will have to pay another 100,000.
I'm sorry. Is the only difference, my lord, I was compared. This is the first time doing virtual hearing. It's always been.
Then, if this is your first time, you will have equipped yourself before today.
I'm sorry. I would say yes to ask questions. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Is it the marriage? Is it the certified copy of the marriage certificates?
Yes, that is it. Yeah, this is the copy.
Being a certified true copy, where is the origin?
I couldn't find, it was lost. I couldn't find the original.
And the guy permission was received to take that certified. What was my opinion? Copy added is based on that section.
You seek to tender photocopy of a CTC, right?
My lord, is a scanned copy. That's why the section 84 says
It's a scanned copy.
it's
It's a photocopy. But what do you mean by scanned copy? It's a copy of the CTC. So I would like you to address me as to why I should admit this. A photocopy of a certified true copy.
My lord, it's scanned copy. It's sent.
How long have you been practicing?
22 years. My lord, I've appeared in.
Well, this is shameful. Address me in respect of why I should accept a photocopy of your CTC.
My lord, it's because on the issue of photocopy. That's why I verified the certificate to show that it's a scanned copy, not.
Address me on as to why I should have this scanned copy of a CTC in. Does that excuse the fact that it's a public document? Does that excuse you? Does section 84 excuse you when it comes to public documents? Address me and convince me that I should accept this.
My lord, that at this stage, as it to.
I said, address me. Oh.
My lord, off record, man.
Not off record. It's either you want to address or not. If you want to withdraw, let me know.
I've asked the pensioner to send it.
I'm not interested in what you want to do. I'm not interested in that. When you want to appear before this court, you ensure that you're on top of your game. You don't waste your time. You have paid money to have this case heard virtually.
I'm very sorry.
And I told you, you must be prepared so that you don't have two sessions. And then you have to now pay again. And that is why we insist that you bring registrar. Did you not tell him to bring in this document before the day? Huh? So that we can verify that it's the proper thing and you don't come here to waste your time.
I don't maybe I'm not aware of this. I did that. I don't know what unfortunately I did it through the I did it through further affidavit. I didn't hear that my daughter should bring it to court. I will have brought the copy to the court for the registrar. I thought I should.
So your further affidavit will make what is inadmissible admissible. Is that it?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
You are able to convince the court that we ought to admit a photocopy of the CTC, then we will admit it.
No, ma'am.
If not, it will be refused.
It's basic to the for the public disadvantage. No, okay.
Registrar, give it back to me. Yeah.
No, no,
You better continue with the evidence.
Already he has sent the certified copy to Korea, but because I'm not getting hold of it, that's the reason. And honestly, it might not be special permission to have it. When I
You are
have
really testing my patience.
I know, then I'll continue. I'm very sorry. Mr. Abiodun, can you tell this what the domicile of the origin?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
He said, can you tell the summary report the domicile of your origin?
Oh, yeah, from Nigeria, a domicile in Nigeria and born in Nigeria, Lagos State, and under to the parents of Mr. and Mrs. Zachariah Ajikobi. They hailed from Yewa, South Ebado, Ogun State.
Hello, Mr. Abiodun, let me ask the question again. I'm trying to speak slowly because my Lord is taking notes. Right now. What is the domicile of your origin?
Yeah, I'm a domicile. Yeah, you mean that my origin, Nigerian origin? Yeah, I'm a domicile of Nigerian origin.
Nigerian origin.
Yeah, I'm born in Lagos. I domicile in 34 Oshundairo Street, Lagos, Ipaja. Born to the parents of Mr. and Mrs. Ajikobi. He hailed from Yewa, South, Ogun State.
I think will be
Mm.
how to the marriage, to the conduct of marriage.
Yes.
Can you ask me? Ask again, where did you live before the marriage?
Oh, I was in Lagos State. I was my permanent home at 34 Hyundai Road Street, New Road, Ipaja, Lagos.
Right.
Where did you cohabit or live together with the respondent after the marriage? That would be, perhaps again, so where did you cohabit or live together with the respondent after the marriage? You will state the address to the court where you live immediately after the marriage.
Sorry, what did you say? I didn't hear.
I asked you that where did you live after the marriage with the respondent?
Oh, after the marriage.
With the respondent, where do you live?
Yeah, we live in London. Yeah, we live in London then. After the marriage, yes.
After the marriage, where do you live? Where do you cohabit? Where do you
Okay, 58 Charlton Road in London. This is where we 58 Charlton Road in London, Charlton. That is where we cohabited after the marriage.
Yes. In which town, state, country?
State?
What? Mr. Ajikobi, tell me to inform visual reports. The complete address where you live with the respondent after the marriage.
Where did that? You mean after the marriage, where we stay?
Yes, after the marriage. Where we stay?
Yeah, after the marriage, we were living in London at 58 Stratton Road in London. And we stayed together at that place.
Miss Agobe, do you have any issue of the marriage?
Stay together. Learned counsel. Why are you messing up your case? Why do I have to say this in front of your people?
My Lord, I'm not feeling this.
You?
Have you? Not to understand. So
he understands perfectly. You don't understand what you're saying. Because if someone says, I live at a certain place, what is the next question?
But I have to state his address as to.
He has said it. Is that enough?
Yes, that's.
You know how much you have spent. You paid for newspaper publication. You paid for virtual hearing. You are messing up your own case.
I just want to proceed to the issue of child.
Have you finished with cohabitation? I'm schooling you as if you are just out of the law school. 20 years standing as a lawyer, learned counsel. That's what I said. 20 years as a lawyer. I'm schooling you like a new wig. And your wig is faded. If someone cohabits, are you not meant to ask from where, when to when? Learned counsel.
I always
think now you are going to have another excuse. Go on with it.
Reference to the.
Oh my goodness.
Mr. Ajikobi, from what time did you cohabit with the respondent?
Yeah, we lived together. That's the only house we lived to from the time of the marriage to 2024. So this is the only house we stayed together for.
We lived together from
1998
to
about August last year, about August last year when she disappeared, when she left.
Do you have any issue of the marriage? Is there any child?
Huh?
Is there any issue of the marriage? Is there any child in the marriage?
No.
Now, Mr. Kobe, what are the reasons why do you want this honorable court to dissolve this marriage? What are the reasons why do you want this honorable court to dissolve this marriage?
It's not such one day event. It's something that has been going on and for a while. So we don't really have intimate together, and we sometimes have issues, and sometimes refusing to sleep together, and so most importantly is
you haven't said anything. Can you state clearly why you want divorce?
Yeah, okay. Clear why I want divorce is because
Listen to me. Can you state sequential laws in a very formal way? Why the reason why you want this marriage to be dissolved? What are
okay. The most recent the marriage broke down because we don't really have intimacy together. Lack of intimate together, and it's always lead to issues and fighting, argument, and that is mostly number one. And number two, is more uncontrollable. I cannot control her.
Yes, continue.
And sometimes she will go out and disappear, and the kind of people she associated with, and she very abusive to me.
Do you remember any other reason?
Other than the only thing, the other kind of people she associated with some maybe some female friend, which are more like maybe like a lesbian or gay or some kind of you know, it's just something it's uncontrollable, and
Yes.
Miss Ashby, is there of this reason has anything to do with the childlessness of marriage?
is there what?
Any of these reasons has something to do with the lack of child in the marriage?
Yes, of course. I mean, if we don't really sleep together, there's no how can we have a child?
Right.
Now, Mr. Akobi, this is very, do you have any court case between you and the respondent in any other court, either here or any other part of the world?
No, no.
That will begin. Do you polite or polite with the respondent to file this petition?
Collide?
Do you polite or polite with the respondent to file this petition?
No.
Right.
And finally, Mr. Toby, what do you want this honorable court to do for you? What do you want this honorable court to do for you?
Yeah, it's just to dissolve the marriage, marriage has broken down since, and I would like the court to dissolve it.
You understand that if two parties want divorce, you must prove your case to the reasonable satisfactory. From this evidence, I have not seen anything as to why the term of the granted me why the number has broken down. The emotional abuse is because you have to consummate since when? To consummate since when? The marriage of how many years? Does that make sense?
Well, yeah, it will make sense, but it doesn't make sense. Over there, it really makes
I'm telling you what is in evidence. It's up to you to take it instead of arguing with me and to get the proper evidence out of this witness. Or you keep arguing from the bar there. All we have is a few lines, and you have not led your witness properly as to why I should grant this divorce under 15(2).
Can I respectfully take it?
You will still come back and do the same thing because you don't understand. I'm giving you the opportunity to ask your witness because they have paid money. You're wasting your time.
Mr. Adekobi,
Yes.
you said your wife has some behavior that you cannot hold.
Ensure that it's what you have pleaded that you are leaving.
Yes, I'm still with you.
Yes.
You said your wife has some habits that you cannot hold it.
Okay.
Are you clearly state those habits before this marriage report?
Okay, and if I may also answer the one of it, the honor permit me to also explain some of the reason why. Because my work, I do travel a lot. I don't really go and stay at home. So most of the time I was away. And so I do work abroad most of the time when in the oil industry. And in regard to this, so when the main issue, when you have a wife that someone you are living with that I cannot control, and maybe because of the lack of my time when I was not there, she go out of wing and she became a bit abusive. And I see that some of the kind of friendship that she also associates with, and maybe people that are involved in drugs. And on top of that, most importantly, when it comes to a matter of sex, she always to the point that I even asked her whether if there was an issue that we should go to the clinic, but she brutally refused that, and she went a bit angry and starting a bit this abusive behavior again. And sometimes I will even leave the house because of this. When it gets too much, I will just leave and go out and stay sometime with some friends. When it gets to this point, and there is so much I've enjoyed for a long time, but there is so much that due to all this issue that led to this.
Mr. Kobe,
Yes.
we need to summarize this behavior because he's interested in knowing those particular behavior that make it intolerable for you to live. The issue of habitual drunkenness.
There is no intolerable behavior in your petition. So you need to ask questions specifically related to your pleadings, Learned Counsel. I believe you understand that this action should be for 1 year plus before you can file the petition.
Yes. No.
That is not up to 1 year.
That's right.
Go on with it. So what facts are you relying on?
The super we are here will be relying on the civil marriage, then section 15(2)(c). As
Where is section 15(2)(c) on reasonable behavior in your petition? Please direct me to that.
that's one BC.
1BC.
The respondent has been sent from the 50. National cannot be expected to establish national self, and emotional.
That is still refusal to consummate. Because that is what you stated in your paragraph 8, facts of irretrievable breakdown of marriage. There is nothing to show that you want to stand on the ground of unreasonable behavior. Nothing.
In my not. If the court will permit me to read it out, if the respondent has exhibited conduct which the petitioner cannot be reasonably expected to be like starting the petitioner of the sex, frequent physical and emotional violence, ungovernable temper, habitual drunkenness with late night parties, insulting, annoying words, and cursing on the.
Then that should have been made clear. You have put that in preamble. It is not in your facts, in your pleadings. It is not there.
My facts.
Please direct me to it.
It's number 8B. I know. Number 8B. I know. The respondent has revealed from the petitioner cannot be expected to be like starting the physical and emotional violence, ungovernable temper, habitual drunkenness with late night parties, insulting, annoying words, and curses on the petitioner and his family.
Okay. Proceed.
Thank you, madam. Mr. Anthony.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I wanted to inform this honorable courts about some conduct, just specific, list them out so that honorable court can understand. What are the specific behavior again that you feel is intolerable for you to live with?
Okay. The most okay. I can not even count when we had intimate together. I cannot say this is one time or two. I mean, this is a time that we do have intimate, which that's number one. Number two, and whenever it gets to that point, this is where the issue starts. It will be abusive, and she doesn't want no, and that's number. Then, couple with that.
My
Yes.
my wife is right. Slow down.
Okay.
Take it one after the my own is right. Yes.
Yes.
Then the main other thing when I found out also what I experienced was also the issue of being associated with people that are more like lesbian or maybe gay people. And I will be honest, I didn't see her taking drugs, but maybe the attitude and the behavior is like someone that is probably using something, which I didn't see her, but those attitude is not someone that those are the major thing. And sometimes she was very, very abusive to me, and I have to leave the house. So those are the major things that I think they said this marriage broke down. And
Is there any other behavior you thought that you could inform this honorable court about the respondents?
Other than this, I don't have any other things. So, yeah, I don't have anything. I just want everything to, he was never not part of my life anymore, and I just want things to be. Yeah.
Where's the respondent?
Where is she?
Yes.
I don't know.
Can you describe these circumstances when she left?
I went to work. I went as I normally do, and when I came back, sometimes I've seen Tracy. Sometimes there are issues where she would disappear sometime and go with the press that she go and stay with some of her friends. And whenever I said, okay, she should go, it's also another fight. So one time when I went away, came back for work, I find out some of the stuff in the house is gone. And I tried to contact to find out where she might be. I tried, and I could not even get hold of her.
Were you ever informed about the departure?
Have I what? Eh?
Were you ever informed of the departure? In other words, did she discuss before she left the house?
Did she discuss when she left the house?
Yes.
With me? No. If I hear you well, she did it. There was no discussion about this.
On the issue of late night parties, how frequent is this with the respondents?
How frequent?
Late coming.
Yeah, most of the time, every weekend, and I believe when I'm not even there too, the same thing. I mean, if she's doing it when I'm there, and if she's doing it when I'm not there, It's the same thing. Almost every weekend and most of the time, she's not. She stay with somebody. She tend to.
Can you stop stuttering and give us sentences?
Hello.
Okay.
We want to record something.
And what my Lord is saying that my Lord wants to record, you sit down.
Divorce is not automatic. You have to prove that you are entitled to it. In Nigeria, divorce is not automatic. Even if both parties want it, you must prove that you are entitled to it. And you haven't said anything. You are just stuttering, avoiding the questions.
What my Lord wants you to do is to state if there are some behavior that are not intolerable, like late nights, drunkenness, habitual content. Those are the issues that my Lord wants you to inform, not to explain voting as you are having a parallel conversation. This is a court of law, and we do everything formally. You say that you are presenting a paper to the court. It has to be formal, it has to be precise, and it has to be in a summarized form. That's what my Lord is informing me. And the question I ask you that the issue of late parties and late coming home, how frequent is it? Just answer it in a
Okay. Yeah, those are mostly every weekend.
Is that
Mostly every weekend.
mostly every for how long?
This is for almost all the time I could remember.
Mr. Okobi, with respect to the childlessness of the marriage, is there any medical reason for not having a child? Or can you specifically say this box where there has not been child in the marriage for the past 26 years?
Yeah, there's no medical reason.
I'm asking the question again. Is there any issue of medical with you or the respondent, or why with you believe that there is no child in the marriage? There must be something responsible.
For what about if she doesn't want?
I'm saying that with regards to the lack of child of the marriage, is there any medical issue between you and the respondent?
Is there medically what?
Between you and the respondent?
You mean whether if there is any issue with me not having kid or with her not having
medically, yes.
Yeah? No, as far as I know, there's no medical issue that will prevent us from having kids.
So what is your reason for the lack of child marriage? What is your reason?
My reason, my wife decided she didn't wanted to have sex or have intimacy with me.
Mr. Ajiko, we are talking about the future for intimacy or any sexual intercourse.
Any?
How close are you within the marriage? You still in the same bedroom or?
The same?
I said with regard to the lack of intimacy. Two of you open the house. Did you sleep in the same bedroom or why is it That's
No, okay, yeah, we don't. We do not. Early days, about the few months when we started after the marriage, everything was okay. But after, then we started, whenever I come back, she will move to the other room because there were two rooms we have. So she will move to the other room and she continued like that. And we were staying differently. So when I come, I will stay in my room. And when she will stay in her room, we didn't, yeah.
And for how long has that one has been?
That's been going on for a very, very long time.
And is there change to that before she eventually left?
If I can put a time?
Is there a time that the two of you reconciled before she left?
Yeah, I try whenever I come back and whenever I try to, but she always gets abusive and she's like she's getting anger and she doesn't want to. So it will lead to being fighting or started throwing things and being abusive to me when I try to reconcile with this.
Is there any point in time where the respondent suggested to you to adopt a child?
No.
I didn't hear you. Come again. I said, is there any at any point in time has the respondent advised you or had a discussion with you to adopt a child?
No, not any time. Yeah.
Right. No, net cancel. Can you move on?
Yes, sir.
You want to be spoon-fed further?
I got this. I'm very. Finally, I can conclude my examination. Mr. Alikobi, what do you want this on report?
When?
What do you want this on report to do for you?
What I want to do for me to just to dissolve the marriage.
Mr. Alikobi, the court here, we are very respectful. We will not utter that statement just to dissolve. You will appeal to the honorable.
There's nothing he had done wrong.
Just
You are the one messing up your matter. Please continue.
My lord, I will apply that the witness discharge and ask for a job so that we can present true certificate certificates and payment. Which is for that the only basis, the bedrock of our cases.
curious. How did you serve this party that you don't know where she is in this world? How did you serve her?
They were both living here before that. So we know our parents.
There is no evidence to that effect. Oh, you know her parents.
Yes. We know our parents.
What?
I was reading sometimes in October, early of October, but what made me not to fight to see November? I asked her to move for her because even on a more serious note, it's easier for us to use the Korea to their blood than doing pasting and attachment. It's a capital in this. But we have to keep looking for actually for October.
Right.
September, late September. Because I informed that there is no way we can proceed within our time, because that is very fundamental to any action. So in September, I said that to say, I said, did you see any avenue? That was like October, we are still looking for. Then by November, I think that okay. If she is in Nigeria and she has a parents which are not this similar to that, how we face that is the parents will be able to know what is happening and get across to her, which that's why we now brought the application for pasting so that the clients can move ahead with the matter. That is the true part of this.
Right.
And Ojodu has said earlier,
You want the witness discharged?
yes.
How do you want to tender the certificate? Do you have a proper CTC?
Yes, I've asked him to send it. He has been sent, but I'm not been able to get it. So it will take 7 days, 7 working days, and the trial is short of 7 working days. That was what tell to do the certificate. I'm fully aware. I've told you that there is no way we can tender the photocopy of the certificate. It's an elementary principle. It will not be admitted. But now I asked him to send it. He said it's on it, but it take 7 working days. I said 7 working days, I cannot go to court and just say I'm taking an agreement because one project on. Let me just go at that solution. But he said since if they try their opinion, what the court has true, since it's a scam copy, I can use that it's going to do I agree with them, but not in total. I say
What is under section 84 for?
For
computer generated evidence. Does section 84 on computer generated evidence and compliance? Does it erode the provisions of section 104 on public documents?
No, it does not. And it will never. That's appealing to this on the course that can.
Yes, I've asked you, you want the witness discharged. How do you want to tender the certificate? I want to be sure that you know what you are saying.
I know. What I intend to say,
right?
That the case will adjourn, but the witness is still under oath, so I'll be able to.
So you are going to get this witness back for 100,000 to be paid again to the registry.
No, if it is a sacrifice, I'll have to. It's better than losing the office with what we have spent so far. We have to shoot a lesser.
Which one do you want? I want the witness discharged. I shall present the marriage certificate. What do you want me to record? What orders do you want today?
I want the witness to start and I'll present the marriage certificate.
You will.
Then the satisfaction of the as well, loss.
In what manner?
I believe I can tender it from the back if the
Okay.
court want.
I'm sure it was the registrars that taught you that. You don't think you did that yourself?
No, my God, I know, I've said that in your document.
What they told you today, what should you do? Didn't they? They told you what you should do today.
I know that I've heard it before on several justices.
Well, you are appearing before me.
I know your own court is a jury court. I've appeared before before Justice Baba Wani.
And this is how you conduct your case?
My doctors have said, I think what I think I need to take note, and I must confess, I'm mentally exhausted. I'm not I need it. But I'm even so surprised at the way I was performing today. I must confess. I just pray that it will not be like my colleagues that collapsed one time 2 years ago in court. And unfortunately, he died at which the mentally just
Okay.
I'm going to stand down, I'm going to
The witness is discharged.
and copies
You may tender the certificate from the bar.
and copies. We are very good this time. I really thank my God giving us house, and I'm already grateful for my Lord.
Continuation.
Much.
He doesn't want? When does he want?
19 minutes.
Adjourn to 19 for continuation of hearing, and you will address the court already on that day. So be prepared.
And copies. I'm not surprised.
And that will be in open court.
As copies.
19-3 for continuation of hearing.
As copies.
All right.
And